Kurumdari, image paodam niang tabiri bakwai punamapu ahanbada taram no oksari. Ngasigi marui bapao. Human rights ki matangda Moreda awareness program pangthokrai. Delhi Manipur House linkat kibagi ahan mapok kumot pangthokrai. Loinana Ward Development Committee singmi singi tabuk lepai kongjang hantokrai. Haujik ngasigi mapungwe bapao amuk lobirasi. Ngasi More Ward number 2 da laiba Ebenezer Church ta Manipur Human Rights Commission amadi United NGOs Mission Manipur ani na puniko samnaduna Human Rights ki matangda awareness program nga pangthokrai. Awareness program aduda Khaidem Mani Chairman Manipur Human Rights Commission W Basant Kumar Advocate Human Rights Alert Manipur Mr. Newton Kumar Advocate I Dinesh Kumar SDO More Mangmilian Singson Secretary HTC More Thila Khan Secretary Tamil Sangam More Yogara Subha Secretary Gorkha Samaj More MD Nasir Khan Secretary MMCM na Maruweba Musing Oina Sarugyaki Khaidem Mani Chairman Manipur Human Rights Commission of Fungdok Kibada Miyoi Hak Kamari Lainabada Kangpam Tokpa Isa Isagi Hak Karino Haiba Aduri campaign ki Macha Amoina Human Rights ki Makada Pang Tokpa Awareness Program Amani Haiki Ngasigi Tormaduda Tongan Tuan Ba Imalu Kiluching Bising Amadi Mahiri Kayana Sarugyaki
Miyoi Vigi Haki Marilino Ba Kangbam Tokpada Isa Isagi Hak Karino Haiba abigi Marilena Pangtokpa Adumba campaign ki Masa Amoina Human Rights Commission ki Tabak ki Manungda Madugumbagi Maka Amoina Asime awareness si Pangtokpani Hospital ki Kodong Chada Mayam se Tamoi Sogna Pogdam Kibido Madu Sumit na Yang Eraga Hayang Marilena Authority da Karito Hunbe Yabagi Haibase Masi recommendation Tonaba Tabak Sanction Gani
Changangai Uchekon Airport Road Nona Saba RKBS Construction Private Limited ki Corporate Office Mangasi Nauria Pakangapa Assembly Constituency ki Hanagi MLA RK Anand Handokre RKBS Construction Private Limited ki Director RK Bisesorna Haikibada Ngasi Maikum Hanglibasi ki Matingdagi Manipur da Leiba Tabak Pangdabana Maram Wari Ngauchat Nariba Naha Kayada Kanaba Pibatanatana Kanaguma Miri Amagi Lena Bayum Saba Amadi Atopa Hiram Kayada Sinabada Town Mating Pangmangam Lagani Yum Ama Saba Matamda Changba Pot Chaidanatana Yum Adubu Design Tonawi Damukta Engineer Kayasu Miam da Line Panganmangam Lagani Autoclave Aerated Concrete ASC ki check asi Sinaduna Manipur check asi Kanaba Kaya Soidana Miam da Panganmangam Lagani Segasi Housing Manipur Sinari but check Sindagi Yang Hen Batanatana Malangi Jingsin Bagi Sapu the Suk Kenabaka lady Tormaduda Nauria Pakangapa Assembly Constituency ki Hanak MLA RK Anand Haikibada Manipur construction Lamda Mapalam Yenaba Matamda Kahan name Labana Maram Warega Ano Bamakali construction Tobang company Kaya Lamdam Asida Tolpa Matau Tari Matamna Purakpa Awan Bakayana Maram Warega Ahom Banaiba Punsi Marel Kaya Lakta Banate Awang Numpoki Lamdam Singasi India ki Atopa Lam Singa Kenaba Laibana Maram Warega Lamdam Asida construction Hiramda Tabak Pakala Pahibasi Aruba Amati Oigani Earthquake Toilet Toba Lam Singman the Equilamdam Asisu Yawbana Maram Margasi Maikum Hangi Basina Toropumatamda Earthquake na Sola Katabakaya Adu Kupna Nina Biro Matum Madudai Ngatung Nabita Pambe Sing Tabak Tomatamda Sinarbadi Tung Guida Mike Pak Ama Habatu Oigani Tormaduda IFCD retired Additional Chief Engineer T. Thaba PWD MTDC retired Chief Engineer O. Dijendra Hospital Service Consultancy Corporation Limited Government of India ki Deputy General Manager Vikas Thapar Amadi Bangalore Laiba ARDEX Indura India Private Limited ki Manager Jayanta Bezbarwasu Sarugyaki United Living Trust Delhi na Delhi Manipur House linkat ke bagi ahan ba mapok kumon thorung ngasi Manipur Press Club ta Rims ki director Dr. A Santa, Manipur Public Service Commission ki hanagi chairman Lieutenant General Dr. K Milan, Ayush ki director A Gyaneswar Sarmana president member sing oidina pangthok krai thorung ki batanda trust asigi president Bemsa Khwairak Pamna hai ke bada Delhi Manipur House linkat ke ba asi Delhi da leiba matamda thena kiba emotional oiba thodok amadagi linkhat kibani aikoina Delhi da chatlaga laying bagi amadi leiphamgi awaba kaya mayok naba usit thawairakta ba kaya singdagi house asi linkhat pani Delhi Manipur House kidamak Manipur ki chief minister health minister na tingbada mating pangbina ba haijabada thawai bikide atopa state singdagi lakpa miyamdi Delhi da laktuna langba matamda systematic oina thabak tawi sel fawba phangbai kudong chaba lei aikoi di masi kudong chaw phangba leite haujiti Delhi Manipur House leiba lapa mi masing yamle adubu facility pinaba leita bagi awaba mayok nei sarkari maikedi gi miyang mating pangnaba nurse kumba ama thabiba pami haina su bemchan haiki
ting na koina pangani je amma koina thamning je nurse kumba yam thambi yam haiba moina habidi hida ka pam matam lakpa kan moina hegla ko matam hegla habidi nurse ti bam jam wai dene delira adu ma moina nurse tang thamati na haiba koida adu ju yam thamani nge koina adu gi amusu magi salary habam jung lai dana adu employee sama yam thamani nge ba moina haiba employee sama thambi ra dena adu ju koi thambang am dewa sima ga koi yam mai tabak ju ji koina akhoi de lai sima
Election Commission of India na taratare suba Lok Sabha election ki matam lokthuk kebagalone na April tarama thoide election pangthok kadoriba outer Manipur parliamentary constituency manung chaliba Chandel district tasu mikal asi aswe angam yaudana mapung phana pangthok pa yana ba sem sare haina district election officer deputy commissioner Chandel Krishna Kumar IAS na phongdorani district election officer Chandel ki makhada assembly constituency ani 41 Chandel usung 42 Tenapal Assembly Constituency lady and the Lok Sabha election asida Assembly Constituency ani asiga punba voter lising marpudrani to chamri humfuni to polling station chamgani putrokta bot thadagani polling station kudimakta voter verified paper audit trail VVPAT machine sizinagani election asida matau togutaba polling personnel sing amasung sector magistrate ki training pangtok krei makhatana su pangtok kigani ahanba oina Chandel district ki polling station marida nupi polling personnel khaptan mathau tawgani assembly constituency ani asigi tongan tuan mafam singda flying squad team ahum static surveillance team ahum thamdra mathau tawgani district asigi election control room hangdoktuna nodal officers in election gi mari lena thorum sing yengchen ba hokre hai Chingi arapa mafam da leiba polling station sing yong na chatok sachin jana ba lambi thong samin na bagi damak mari lena sing BRTF and 8 IDCL PWD PMGS wail chingba paw phong na duna honari polling station oigedor ba mafam sing gi tangai fadaba sing su seven sajin bai thabak su packet le handaki election asida person with disability support thadaba lakpa ngumna ba mokoina chatok sachin tawda mateng pangna ba volunteer ke asu laigani volunteers in Kanadaba BLO sing amasung NYK the Sinakrai.
This time VVPAT will be used in all polling stations to help voters. There is helpline number 1950 where any voter, any citizen can dial 1950 number and seek redressal of their grievances or any information they want, they can see. For this election, there will be C-Vigil app will be used in this election.
Manipur ki tungan ba municipal council Nipan, Kakching, Thobal, Mayang Impal, Nambol, Moirang, Bishnupur, Ningthokong, Jiribam municipal council sing amasung Imphal municipal corporation da mathau tawriba ward development committee skill and non-skill labor singi thata nipangi kusumal pitok pidabagi matangda jamin daduna thabak lepai khongjang changchil lakhiba adu lengaka unaramatung thado pirakpadagi matam khari oina khongjang hantok le haina all Manipur ward development committee skill and unskilled labor association of phongdorapni association ki thau pubasing amadi labor kaya su saruk yadu ngasi imphal gi major khulda leba press club ta pawmi sing ga unabagi thorum amada association ki secretary hemam nawboi na phungdur ki bada ngasi manipur lenga ki mari lenaba mahut ki minister amadi manipur pollution control board ki chairman yauna phamina duna wali sthanabada sinmi singi pithok triba kusuman sing yausang kumai mamangda pithok lagani haibagi thadaba pirak padagi yasinaba kharada sinmi sina sangsilamba thabak lepai khongjang adu matam khari oina handokpa gi pirep lobani haiki karigumba lengang na thajo pirak liba wapham asi thabak to onthok pirak ta tarbadi amukka hanna makhata na akan khongjang changchen khigani haina su secretary na makhata na phungdokhi Banbayabadi, Hauzik Infal Municipal Corporation Yauna Ate Municipal Council Nipangi Sini Singi Kusuman Kumjali Singi Tara Terek September Tatagi Ngasi Pauda Puna Tata Nipangi Kusuman Lengana Pitok Pidana Lady Hari.
To have the case wise strike, Sanction Japani, I was a strike, Junction of Matunda, Marina Government Amadi, the Baming Musinga, Wari Shanaba, Chanaba Matung Tazaba Pirapataki, the Congress Handokere. Ariba Tazaba Pirakliba or Pamsing Aduna, Tabak when on top Pirakabati. A solid waste management lepa Amadi, Council King Bushing Adudaki Ayamba, Kunjankiama, Janchinaba, Janchingani, Aina, Koi Preski, Kutanga from
Among the Manipur Pumbagi Municipal Ward Development Workers Singna Hoki Vachahi, Singing Tarataki, Nasi Foba Manipur Sarkana, Sini Singi Pang Tokpa Kusman, Pangandabagi Mayokta, Matam Lep Laitana, Sanchil Liba, Seas Walk Strike Asida, Jiribangi Sini Singasu, Nasi Ayukumapan, Rom Tamatam Dagi, Jiribangi Bau Parada Liba, Jiribang Municipal Council Office, Get Mamangda, All Manipur Ward Development Committee, Skill and Unskilled Labours Association, Manipurna. Sataniba seas walk strike Jiribam is missing a Sogatuna sit in protest Tawduna indefinite seas walk strike Sansin K. Delhi BJP MLA Om Prakash Sharma the Election Commission of Na so cause notice speak rate. Om Prakash na Prime Minister Narendra Modi Masung Wing Commander Avinandan Barthaman Galona number poster ani Facebook to Tagalo Badagi so cause notice adu Mamon the Peach Hari. Delhi Assembly Biswas Nagar Sittagi Karakiba MLA Sarmana, Poster Adu social media the March of the Thador Kibani. Poster Adu the Idio Wahi Singdi, Pakistan Makok non Kray, Ekogi Tona, Farbalan missing Halakray. Yamna Telo Matamda, Avinandanbu, Modizina Purapa Asi, diplomatic Yamna Chow no Mai Pakpani. Sadaragi District Magistrate KK Mahesna, Om Prakash Sarmana. Model Code of Conduct to Gaire, Mathematic Saba Action, Mangoda Locket Penny Heidi. Jammu Musum Kashmiri Polwama, Sahikuma, Surbanipa Ama, Masagi, Mayumi Mapanda, Sakang the Basin, Captain Halam Lay, Makum Upa, no my Pibasina, Captain Halam Kibanapa, Adu Maming, Saukat Ahmad Naik Kawi Heidi, Muyadu, Mamang Sahida, Lamilior Kibani, Adu Monimak, training Taurungi Mang, the Mayuna Kibadi, Halak Kidrabani Haina. Army report Aman Heidi. Mak Lamidagi Tokrabani Haina Armina Lautopa Lake Rabani. Saukat Ahmad Naik Asi Territorial Army the York Rabsu Mak was Logodi Lake Heidi. Samba Amasung Jammu District, Jammu Masung Kashmir Police Tibu Humaki Tabakza Taduna, Newitaru Pavadagi, drug smuggler Toba, Gang Kupu Amagi Tabak Sing to Gai Krehai. Police Charas kilogram of Makai Amadi, Colin Phosphate daily, listing and Yachani Taramari Fagatre. Jammu Srinagar National Highway the Leba, Nagrota Gari checked over the drug Laloma Ani, Fidos Ahmad Dar Amasung, Concert Ahmad Dar, Police Napare Hari, Makoi Anidagi, Quality Papa Charas kilogram of Makai Adu Pagat Kibani Aduga, Colin Phosphate daily, listing and Yachani Taramari Aduna, Samba District among the Leba. Mansar mode checked over the truck Anidagi Pagat Kibani, Gari Musing Soup Pagat Krehari. Hauzik Arabida Moruga Pau Muhana Pizari. Human Rights Kimatanga Moreda Awareness Program Pangtokray. Delhi Manipur House Linkat Kibagi, Ahan Mapokumo Pangtokray. Loyana, what development committee sing missing it Tabuk Lepi Kongjang and Tokray. Ngasi damak tadi image paodam pijo matang se lusin jari miyamu amuk khana kurun jari.